7 Gadgets for Simple Touch-Ups is author and entrepreneur Christina Daves.
Hi.
Good to meet you. Thanks for coming on board.
This is our special gift. So you met Donna.
Yes.
Donna's husband is a master glass blower, one of only 100 in the world. He made these for us, Hoda. We have our very own. These are the only 2. We might get jumped in the parking lot on the way out, so we've got to hide these. Is this amazing?
Beautiful.
Is that gorgeous? This is my favorite product ever.
Now you're an entrepreneur and an inventor, but finding items that help make life easier is what it's all about,
That's
correct?
what I love to do. I'm Christina Daves, and my passion is connecting brands with consumers, and I can't wait to help you get people to love your product, service, or brand as much as you do.
So this is awesome. I have the manual one, but now with the automatic one, now they'll stare at you and say, oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then you feel so much better about yourself.
I'm not just a spokesperson, I'm a real person. I'm an entrepreneur, an influencer, and I'm even an inventor.
Everyone knows how horribly unattractive medical devices are, right? Slings, braces, and this, the big, ugly medical boot. You know, there are 4 million people a year who wear these boots, just like this, and I'm out to change that.
There is nothing I love more than finding something or even creating something that makes life better, easier, or just more fun.
Okay.
So this is so cool.
These are so cool.
It's so easy.
Nothing more. You only have 8 feet. So this is awesome.
So this kind of stuff catches my eye. It's like, oh, this is great.
Easy to
Super,
use.
super easy. Fix up your house.
Every innovation has a story of why, and one of my favorite things is to share that story with an audience. Here are some of my favorites.
This is a great story. This is necessity is the mother of invention. So it's a family out in California. They have 4 kids. Dad loses his job. The stove breaks. So all they have is the toaster to feed their kids.
Okay.
So he invents a product to feed his children until he gets a new job. So this is Tostia. You put your ingredients in. A little pepperoni on it.
Okay.
You fold it.
Yep. And then we put it inside.
We put it inside that. Fold it, close it.
Put it in the toaster, and voila.
Voila. How cool is this?
Yes.
I've never cleaned my baseboards until I got this. Oh, wow. This is so easy to use. Okay. I actually broke my foot in the summer of 2010 and was put in a medical boot. And I was actually headed to New York, fashion capital of the world, and thought, I can't go looking like this. This is how easy this is.
Oh my gosh. How cute is that?
It is very nice.
And then we have flowers, and the flowers just hook right on, and then you can use them afterwards too.
Oh,
There you go.
know what? Thank you so much. You've made me feel amazing today. Thank you.
You do the corn, you do the avocado, cilantro. You want to slice it? See how easy it is? So these are awesome scissors.
I've never seen this before.
Yeah.
Huh?
So in summertime, my wine gets
Hey, you
warm.
wanna
I
have
don't
that?
like that.
Okay.
So you freeze these. There's a magnet on the bottom. Just give it a little wiggle. There you
Oh,
go.
nice.
And it keeps your drink cold.
Love it.
Cheers.
Cheers. Have this at home.
You go to your game, but you want to tailgate all day. But what are you going to do? You're going to watch TV with the satellite dish. Look at this. You just put this on top of your vehicle and use your DirecTV dish, whatever you have. Get your satellite working, and there you go. You watch games all day.
It's like a little thing of antiperspirant.
It's like a deodorant stick, so.
Let's hope that our husbands don't use it for that.
No, let me tell you, when my husband found this, he's like, wants to fix every hole in the house. This was invented by a local interior designer, which is so great.